Hey YouTube, I'm going to kind of try to get a little closer in on the guitar in this video. I'm going to do, let's call it easy arrangement of Valley by Kevin Morby. There's been quite a bit of interest, I would say not like the number, but like several people have messaged me about this song. I'm going to try to go into it in a little more depth in this lesson, and I'm also going to do an easier arrangement. I don't know if he's playing this with the capo or not. I've never seen it performed, but we're going to play it in the open position. That means we're going to have to change the key of it, and it'll be the same song, but it'll just be in a higher key or lower key, depending on how you look at it. It's all like a big circle. But then I'll show, and then also a lot of people are interested in the guitar solo, so I'll kind of try to dog. That's enough. I'm trying to, hey, I'm trying to make a video here. Can you just be quiet for a minute? Till I'm done? Excuse my dog. So anyways, that's another reason I'm trying to get a closer guitar shot, is because I'm going to show some of these solo techniques. Okay, but we're going to do them in this key. All right, well, here's how I'm going to play this song. Change the key, and now our chords are G, D, E minor. And those are very guitar-friendly chords. Okay, a lot of songs are in G on the guitar because you can play the E minor scale, and that is also the major G scale. Okay, they share all the same notes. Let me get the lyrics up here. All right, I'll do a little demo here, just not the whole thing. In the valley below me, act like they don't know. In the sky above me, in the sky above, Mama, all the stars are broken. Either me or you or us. All right, that's the first two verses. And again, it's just doing some G, D, doing some pull offs, like I was pulling off my index finger off the D, makes it a D sus. And that's kind of like Valley B, low. I was just playing some B, G, and D string there at the end on the E minor. I was hammering onto the, when I'm playing the G, sometimes I hammer onto this first fret on the B string. It's a C note. That's a real common move, adding that C. All right, so that's how I'd recommend you play the song here. Now, as I mentioned, we're going to be doing the solo stuff in E minor. All right, and that's like one riff there, right there. And then that's on the E minor. And then all we're doing is we strum the 4 and the 3 strings. And we hammer on to the string 4 now, the D string. I'm just taking my hand away so you can see. I'm just playing the open strings there. But you can't see that because my hand's in the way. Alright, and that's that little move. That is a double, called the double stop. And that's just two notes that are like in harmony, or another way to think of it is they're in the same chord. They're 2 notes from a chord. And then while those 2 notes are ringing, you play one of them and you leave the other. So you kind of have to curl your finger like this so you can come straight down on the string. Because if you leave your finger flat, you're going to mute the other string. Like in this case, I want to leave the G string ringing, string 3. All right, and I just hammer on a couple times. Then I do an open again and finish on the A string at the 2nd fret. Okay, that's the technique that's going on. Now, he's not playing it in the open position. So in this case that we're doing here, since we changed the key, we have to go up to the 12th fret to show what he's playing. We know the 12th fret is just a repeat of everything at the open position. Except you got to hold down the 12th fret now yourself. Right, so like here's that riff, the same riff at 1 octave higher. Okay, and one thing I'm doing a little different on this one is because I don't know why I'm doing it different, but you can do the same. You know, I was teaching about hammer-ons, but you can also do a pull-off. So he's doing a pull-off double stop. All right, so I think I go hammer-on 2 times, and then on the 3rd time I do a pull-off. And then I finish on the string 14 on the A string. Okay, so we're still dealing with strings 3 and 4. Okay. All right. Now, I was talking about having to curl your finger, and I'm doing that there. But you can also hammer on to both strings. Sometimes when he's playing the G and the B double stops, I think he's just hammering on to both strings. So we're at the B and the G on fret 12, and then we hammer on to fret 14 on both strings. That's more bluesy. Okay, this is more like country, I guess we could say. This is kind of like the same lick, except it's more bluesy. And then you come back, finish it off on the B and G. Jimi Hendrix used to do these. He was probably one of the best, for the double stops to listen to and emulate. And a lot of people emulate him. Like that song, Pearl Jam song, Yellow Ledbetter. And he's doing a lot of this in that song. So it's John, the Red Hot Chili Peppers guy. He emulates this a lot too, or he uses this technique. Right, and I just played there the borrowing the B and E strings, so you could just do that as a accent. But really, what we're doing is we're playing this E minor pentatonic shape. All right, I'll call it out for you. 12, 15 on the low E. And the A string, we got 12, 14. D string, 12, 14. G string, 12, 14. B string is 12, 15. High E is 12, 15. So I was just adding some chromatic notes in there. Those are passing chords. But if you practice the scale, do it more like I was doing it. Don't do it like this is the wrong way. I'll try to make it sound musical. If you're going to practice a scale, don't practice it in an unmusical way. All right, this brings up a good time to show a different lick he does in this song. So what he's doing there is he's starting on the 15 on the high E string. And he pulls off. And you gotta be fretting the E string to do this. Then he does the same thing on the B string and the G. That's the first part of the lick. Yeah, actually on the G string I think he's just hitting 14. I'm sorry. Yeah. So if you were, thinking like it's like peanut butter and okay? Mississippi and Mississippi and peanut butter and okay, sometimes I like to use words because it gets confusing to, when you're calling out a lot of numbers. Peanut butter and that's the first part, and then he goes to the he goes to the G and D double stop to cap it off. All right, that's what he's doing there, and hopefully this will help clarify things and give you an arrangement you can use. Also, you can play this and use a capo to put it into a key that's comfortable for you to sing. Okay, that's Kevin Morby Valley. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps the people who had messaged me about this song.